Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make my spinach and banana smoothie. Then I'm going to be telling you its health importance. Kindly stay tuned till the end of this video. I also want to thank you all for watching my videos, for subscribing to my channel. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button now and also turn on your notification bell. In one of my videos, I showed you my vegetable garden and how I manage my vegetable garden. I am going to leave the link for that video at the top of this video. As you can see it at the top of this video. If you are yet to watch this video, kindly click on that link to see my vegetable garden. So now, before I move into the health importance of this banana and spinach smoothie, the the spinach I'm using in today's recipe was plucked from my vegetable garden, and as you can see that I'm washing the vegetables thoroughly, the spinach. I'm washing it thoroughly so that it will be free from all dirt. This is not going to pass through any heat before we consume it. We are going to consume it fresh, so we need to make it to be very neat and hygienic for eating. The last round I'm going to be using my portable water to wash it for the last round. Now let's quickly go through the health importance of banana and spinach smoothie. Spinach and banana smoothie, they are good for the health and they are packed with several essential nutrients, and it offers a number of health benefits. Spinach and banana smoothie provides vitamin K, and vitamin K plays an important role in wound healing. So this makes it to be good for people that just undergone surgery. It helps in healing of their wounds, and it also helps in blood clotting to stop bleeding for those who have a bleeding wound at the site of their injury. Banana and spinach smoothie also provides potassium. It provides potassium and it facilitates muscle function and nerves communication. It also helps to control blood pressure. This makes it to be good for the hypertensive patient. So if you are hypertensive, this smoothie is for you. So I'll pause for a while. This is the banana I'll be using for this smoothie. As you can see that I am also washing the bananas thoroughly so that they'll be free from dirt before I start peeling them and proceeding into the preparation. So after washing this banana, I'm going to peel it, then we proceed into blending it together with the spinach. So we use our blender to blend everything, the banana and the spinach together. Yeah, I have been able to peel the banana. As you can see, that's the spinach and the portable water I'm going to be using for the blending. So now let's start. Putting the banana inside the blender, and it will be followed by the spinach, and then I will add water to facilitate the blending. Now let me continue um let me continue with the health importance of this smoothie. This smoothie provides vitamin A, and as we know that vitamin A is very essential to our sight. Also, this smoothie it helps to boost the immune system. Spinach itself is packed with iron, folate and zinc, and these three nutrients are good for the trying to conceive women. Iron, folate and zinc is very essential for the trying to conceive women or all women at their childbearing age. So that is for spinach. Then banana on its own aids improvement of fertility in both men and women. So now combining this banana and spinach together, we can see that it is packed with a whole lot of nutrients and it is very good for our health. You can have this smoothie, you can have it as a breakfast, you can have it as a lunch or dinner. This smoothie that this particular one I use it as my dinner because I had a heavy lunch. So I wanted something light in the evening, in the night. So I just prepared this spinach, and that was all I took for my dinner. And in fact, I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. So you can have this at any time. Then you can decide to add milk. You can decide to add milk to your own, or you add Greek yogurt to your own. But I love my recipes to be to be simple and nutritious. So all that I use for today's recipe is the spinach and the bananas. Yes, our smoothie is ready for consumption, and as you can see the consistency. I love it when it's take this way because I feel filled when I take it this way, and it gives me strength and some energy that lasts me for a while. And because I'm using it as my dinner, I wouldn't want to be waking up in the night to eat myself, when it's too watery. So I love it this way, and you just have to try this recipe. So now I'll be enjoying my smoothie. As you can see, I really love it. You need to try this recipe. You need to try it and benefit from these nutrients. It helps our body, it helps us, it is very nutritious. My baby is also enjoying this smoothie with me. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumb up, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do that now. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Also, links to my previous video will be displaying on the screen. Kindly click on them and watch anyone. Thank